Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the NOCO GENIUS10 10Amp Smart Battery Charger. About this item. What's in the box? Overview. How to use it. Charging modes. The Genius 10 has 9 modes. Explanation of different modes. Using 6 volts. Press and hold for 3 seconds. Using 12-volt lithium. Using 13.6 volts supply. Press and hold 3 seconds with clamps not connected. Using 12-volt repair. From standby, press and hold 3 seconds with clamps connected to the battery. Force mode. Press and hold for 5 seconds. How to connect with battery. Connect the positive, red eyelet terminal connector to the positive, POS, P plus battery terminal. Connect the negative, black eyelet terminal connector to the negative, NEG, N minus battery terminal. Connect the battery charger to a suitable electrical outlet. Do not face the battery when making this connection. When disconnecting, disconnect in the reverse sequence, removing the negative first, or positive first, for positive ground systems. Begin charging. Charging times. Understanding charge LEDs. Understanding error LEDs. Features. More power, better performance. The next generation of charging. Redesigned clamps. Bring batteries back to life. Force mode. Do more with one charge. Thermal compensation. Completely automatic, worry-free. Advanced charging. Advanced diagnostics. Charge levels. Specifications. Warnings. Troubleshooting.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.